Hi Pam, it's Louise.
Oh, hi there. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm not bad, thanks. How are you this week? You all right?
Yes, I'm very good.
Can you remember how you sort of got involved originally?
I just felt very alone. I felt nobody understood me. And I just needed to reach out to somebody who could understand my condition, who could understand why I have good days, why I have bad days, and who could help me through those bad days. I went into a deep depression, and that landed me in a very bad place.
Yeah.
And when I reached out to the MS Society, and they offered, help, that was literally a lifeline to me, for which I'll be forever grateful.
It's okay. I think you're right, though. We are a lifeline for many people. I really wanted to be involved a little bit more and know more about my condition and just give a bit back. But
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. I would definitely encourage anybody to become a volunteer with the MS Society. You haven't got to spend hours and hours a week. And 1 hour a week is absolutely sufficient to give your time and energy to a befriending call. And I just think you will have so much back from volunteering in some capacity that it's absolutely worth it.